Hey, welcome, and in this video I want to show you how to put arrows on your LibreOffice chart, just like so. Okay, and if you actually take a look online and you try to look for it, you will see that, okay, you're supposed to look for the view toolbars and toggle the drawing toolbar online. Okay, it may be a bit confusing as to where this toolbar thing extension is, especially if you're using the tabbed interface. Okay, but the way to access it is that you first double click your chart, and then you will see this view row on top. Okay, do not confuse it with this view tab over here if you're using the tab interface. It's a thing I was confused with. Okay, and to toggle the drawing toolbar, you go to toolbars and you see the drawing toolbar right there, which you can toggle on and off. Okay, and if you toggle it on, you will be able to see that the arrows are over here. Okay, the arrows are on that toolbar, which you can just okay, delete or add. Okay, so I'm going to delete this arrow right here, so I have to sort of click this here and delete. Okay, go ahead and select the arrow. Okay, then it should be pretty straightforward from here on out. Okay, just draw as you would any arrow on LibreOffice. Okay, and the important thing about arrows on this toolbar, arrows from this toolbar from the chart, is different from a generic arrow, because when you export it, the arrows will be there as well. So I'm going to export this as an image. I'm going to put this on the hi.png. Okay, and then what I'll do is, okay, I'll save it, of course. Okay, I'll save this, and then I will look at the hi.png. Okay, and this is the result. Okay, the most important end result is that when you export the PNG file for LibreOffice charts, the arrows will be there. Okay, and that's all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed.